Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how you can change the comments order on the VK app. If you want to organize your comments to see the newest, oldest, or most interesting first, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you are in the Settings section, select Account. Scroll down until you find Comment Order and click on it to view the available sorting options. Here, you will see three choices: Most Interesting, Oldest, and Newest. Tap on the option you prefer, and your comments will be displayed in that order immediately. Changing the comments order on VK is simple and helps you manage interactions more effectively. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.